All right, hey there, good evening friends. So tonight is your very first flipped math video. I want to go over a couple of important things before you get started. The first thing that you need to know is that you can pause your video at any point. Even if I have not said pause your video and press play when you're ready to begin again, you can pause your video anytime you need to. The other thing that you can do is you can rewind your video. If you ever miss something or you need to go back because you aren't sure you copied something down right or you want to hear it again, that is totally okay. Rewind your video, press play, and rewatch it. For tonight's video, the first thing that I would like for you to do is to write tonight's date on the top of your page. Note that your date may be different than mine. You are going to put tonight's date on your page. The next thing you're going to do is write the title of the video, which is whole number place value. Pause your video and press play when you're ready to begin again. All right, the next thing you're going to do is to write your learning goal. Your learning goal is, I will be able to identify and name place values up to the millions place. That is what we should be able to do after watching this video, or we should have some idea of how to do that after we watch this video. Pause your video and press play when you're ready to begin again. Okay, so now that you have gotten your learning goal written down, we are going to look at this number. I know you may be saying, oh my gosh, that's a big number. I don't know how to read that number. After tonight's video, you should be able to read this number and numbers that are similar to it or just like it. You're going to know your place values and you're going to know how much each of these digits are worth. The first thing we're going to talk about tonight is place versus value. Place versus value. And we're going to talk about how they're different from one another. How is place and value different from one another? So I'll go ahead and read this number to you. It is 1,645,782. When we're reading big long numbers like this, we say the place name when we get to a comma. So this 1 is in the millions place, so 1,000,000. 645, this 5 is in the thousands place. So when we get to this comma, we say that place name. 1,645,782. I'll read it again. 1,645,782. Pretty easy peasy. Go ahead and pause your video. Make sure you have that number copied down because we're going to use it again later in the video, and write that quick little note down. Press play when you're ready to begin again. All right, remember I told you we're going to be talking about place versus value. The first one we're going to be talking about is place. Well, what is place? Place is the name of the spot that a particular digit stands in. Remember that digits are the numbers 0 through 9. So a digit is any number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. And the place is the name of the spot that it stands in. So I've got a place value chart down here. And our number, 1,645,782, would fit into this chart. The 1 would be in the million spot. The 6 would be in the 100,000 spot. The 4 would be in the 10,000 spot. The 5 would be in the thousands spot. The 7 would be in the hundreds spot. The 8 would be in the 10 spot. And the 2 would be in the 1 spot. This chart is going to be really important for you to memorize. You are going to need to know the names of each of these places. So go ahead and pause your video and copy down this place value chart. Also copy down our definition for place. Remember that this first spot over here is the ones place. That is the smallest place. Then the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands, then the 10,000s, then the 100,000s, then the millions. Press play when you're ready to begin again. All right, so I've asked you the question, what place is the 4 in the number 1,645,782? What place is the 4 in? Well, place is the name of the spot, and they're asking me about the digit 4. So I'm going to come to this number and I'm going to find the digit 4. I see that the digit 4 falls right here. If I use my place value chart, I can see that that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots from the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The name of the place that the 4 falls in is the 10,000s place. And I gave you the answer down below, the 10,000s place. We can test ourselves. So let's try another one. Think to yourself, what place is the 6 in? What place is the 6 in? If you said 100,000s, you would be correct. What place is the 8 in? If you said tens place, you would be correct. Because here is the 8 in your number. That's 1, 2 spots from the end. 1, 2 spots. So that would be the tens place. All right, go ahead and pause your video. Make sure you have that copied down. Press play when you're ready to begin again. All right, so value. Value is what a particular digit is worth based on its place. Remember that place is the name of the spot that it stands in, but value is how much it's worth. So if this time I were to ask you what is the value of the digit 4 in the number 1,645,782, you're not going to be telling me 10,000s, because this time I'm asking what the value is. Well, the value of the 10,000s place is 10,000. If we write that as a number, this is what it looks like. Well, there's a 4 in that 10,000s place. That means I have 4 10,000s. So 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000. Well, if I were to count up, that would be 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. If I have 4 10,000s, 4 10,000s, because that's what this tells me, there's a 4 in the 10,000s place, 4 10,000s would be 40,000. 4 10,000s is worth 40,000. All right, go ahead and get that copy down, and I will see you tomorrow and get ready to talk about place and value a little bit more. Have a great night.